we learn grammar when we were learning our mother tongue? Did someone give grammar's book or teach or taught sentences or everything? I think no. No one taught us in this way. So if we are able to learn our mother tongue without grammar, so we are also able to learn this language without grammar. But
And ma'am, what do you think? Is it easy for learning this language? I noticed that many YouTuber, they are always making the thumbnail. How will you learn this language just 15 days? How will you learn this language just 30 days? And ma'am, what do you think? Just 15 days and just 30 days, you can learn this language very easily. Is there any shortcut?
how are you today? And how is your morning?
Yes, yes, yes. Very good morning. I'm I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. And ma'am, how have you been?
Yeah, I have been doing fantastic, and thank you for asking me too. As I can see that your background is very nice today. The weather is really
Yes,
pleasant. It's very
yes,
clear.
yes, right now I am on the field area. Yeah. And whenever I get free time, I always come here for practicing purpose.
Okay. So, okay, all right. So, as we are meeting very first time, so let's break the ice with introduction. So, would you like to initiate yourself?
Yes, yes, why not? First of all, thank you. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Santanu Das. I am connecting from West Bengal. And by profession, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an assistant. And I have been working over there more than 10 years. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. But nowadays, I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time. Apart from that, I am running my one YouTube channel, which name is English with SD. That's all about me. It is my short introduction. And ma'am, please introduce yourself.
So, my name is Arshi. I hail from UP Uttar Pradesh. And if I talk about my education, so I am post graduated in chemistry subject. Furthermore, I did B.Ed, and then after completing my study, I was working. But unfortunately, I worked only 1 year because I took a gap. I took a break from my work because when I was working, so I really felt that I really need to work upon on my communication skill because my communication skill was really awful. So that was the actual reason. And in fact, I really want to invest some time on my communication skill because I can say that I am an enthusiastic learner and keen interested in communication skills. So that is the reason I just want to spend a year on myself to improve my communication skill as much as I can. And along with that, I am providing tuition at my home, and in addition of that, I also have a YouTube channel where I also upload English conversation related videos, and sometime I upload solo videos and short videos according to my day, according to my busy schedule. If I am a busy, if I am a with work and tied up with work, so that time I just upload short videos because short video is something it didn't take lots of time. It doesn't take lots of time.
Yes,
You can easily upload without editing and all.
yes, yes.
Also,
So,
I have a bunch of hobbies. I love cooking, stitching, traveling, and gardening, reading, watching English content, listening, and speaking. It is my first and it is one of my favorite hobby of talking to people because this is the only way that I can improve, I elevate my communication skill. So that's why I try to connect with people on every single day. Yeah, that's pretty much about me. Not pretty much, I think that's so much about me. Yeah.
yes, yes. It is
Yeah.
wonderful introduction from your side. And
Yeah.
ma'am, it is good to know about yourself. And you have completed your education, right? And right now you are teaching at your house as a private tutor. And ma'am, first of all, please tell me when did you start your English speaking journey?
Okay, well, to be honest, if I'm not wrong, I have been starting my YouTube, my English journey. It's been a year. Yeah, it is going to be complete a year. I have started my journey in 2024. So now it is. going to complete a year. So yeah, it's been a year.
Yes, yes. Yes, I have been learning this language for a long time, around 1 year or 6 months. Yeah, and I know very well it is not a piece of cake. It is not a cup of tea. It will always take time. Actually, English is not my mother tongue. It is second language, and in my country, in my surrounding, there is no good English environment. No one speak English at my house. No one speak English in my locality. Bengali is my mother tongue. Bengali is my native language. Everyone speaks Bengali language. That's why for learning this language I had to struggle a lot, because uh, during my study there was no English subject in my primary school. Yeah, I was very weak English subject. And ma'am, you have completed your 1 year only for English speaking journey.
Well, from my perspective, I can't agree at all that you can learn this language in just 15 days or in just a month or in just a 6 month even. I can't agree. Because the first thing we have to understand that this is not our mother tongue. So if this is
Yes,
not our mother tongue, so obviously there is no doubt that it is going to take lots of time, and it's also depends
yes,
person on person how much time they are spending on learning this language. So in in 6 months, if I talk about in 6 months we get a fluency, but we don't we would not we are not able to speak flawless English or with error free English, I would say. And also in 6 months, if you talk with the person who is better than you and who is intermediate or who is advanced, so that time you started feeling under the confident, you started feeling fumbling and nervous, and that time you think that I'm inferior in front of that person, because in 6 months I have got only 20% result. So I can't agree that someone can just learn this language in 15 days or 13 days. Not at all. It's not going to happen. I think it is just a misconception, that it is completely a myth. We cannot learn this language. I think in 1 month or 2 months, we are able to improve our listening skill. I'm not talking about speaking skill, because speaking skill is really takes lots of time. If you want to speak naturally, if you want to speak effortlessly, so of course it is going to take lots of time, a year, a 2 year, 3 year. It's depend on the person, how dedicated the person is, and how passionate, and it's also about your passion, how passionate you are learning this language. So according your patience, according your dedication, according your strong desire, you will give time as much as you can. So I never agree on this concept that we can learn this language just a month or 15 days, and not at all. I never agree.
yes, yes. Yes, I totally agree with you. It is not a piece of cake. It is not a cup of
Yes,
tea,
it's
and
not
I
a
know
piece of
very
cake.
well. And I belong to village area, and for learning this language, I had to struggle a lot. I had to face a lot of problem for learning this language. And ma'am, whenever I get free time, I always watch the YouTube video in English. And while watching the YouTube video, and when I was scrolling the video at that time, I found this kind of thumbnail on the YouTube channel. How will you learn this language just 15 days? And after watching the thumbnail, I thought maybe there is a secret in this video. I will watch this video, and I will learn this language very easily. But after watching the whole video, I noticed that there is no shortcut. There is no shortcut. Practice
Exactly.
is the most important thing. Always you have to practice regular basis, and maybe minimum it will take time 3 months. But not just 15 days and just 30 days. You cannot learn this language, according to me.
Yeah, and I think, in my opinion, in 3 months, you will be able to comprehend English language. In 3 months, you will be able to speak even 20% English, and that's it. You can't speak English
Yes, yes,
very fluently, or you can't speak English in a flow. So in 3 months,
yes,
in initially 3 months, we just build our confidence to speak in this language. So I think it's not gonna to happen to learn this language because I have been learning this language for 1 year and still I really do lots of mistake and I sometimes I really feel under the confident and I really feel that it is not easy to learn this language being a villager because we
Yes,
don't have any kind of atmosphere or we don't have person, but we can create our own environment through social media or through AI or through YouTube. Now life I think learning this language has become very easy, but it is also going to take lots of time.
yes, you're
Yeah.
absolutely right. And sir, and ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you, and I am going to another. I will discuss another topic about the English language. And I asked this question to many co-learner person. And what do you think, ma'am? And is English grammar important only for speaking English?
Okay, so as far as I know, initially grammar is not important because when you start learning this language, so don't start with grammar. Start with listening because we all know how we learned our mother tongue. But yeah, after some time, just spend just just start with listening and speaking and reading, and then after 6 months, because you want to be a eloquent speaker or you want to speak a error free English, I would say you want to speak an effective English. So that time you really need to work upon on your grammar. You really need to learn tenses in tenses in proper way or prepositions or part of speech or vocabulary or pronunciation. So it now that after 6 months it is really must, but initially don't go with grammar, just go with listening and speaking. So yeah, I would say that yeah, grammar is important but not that much. If you know
Yes,
the
yes,
basic, if
yes. I
you know the fundamental of grammar initially when you want to start your journey, so it is enough. I think it is sufficient for you if you know the fundamentals of grammar.
yes, yes,
We
yes.
all know
I
the
totally agree
fundamentals
with
of
you.
grammar because we have studied in grammar in our school time and all until 12th. So we all know the
Yes,
fundamentals.
yes. Yes, many learner who are learning this language, maybe they have passed the 10th standard and 12th standard. That's why they have knowledge of English grammar, little bit knowledge of English grammar. Yeah, basic English grammar is important. Yeah, if you have a knowledge of basic English grammar, you can start your English speaking journey. There is no problem. And to learn this language, always you have to follow four rules: LSRW, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Four things are very important. But mostly important is listening and speaking,
Yes.
because always you have to think how did you learn your native language, always by listening and by speaking. Yeah, that's why listening and speaking both are very important for learning this language.
I completely agree. We are on the same page. There is no doubt
Yes,
for argue on this topic that we at the beginning we should learn grammar and we should avoid listening. I think it's not like that. We can learn this language just listening and speaking, and then after some time we must work upon on grammar because grammar is also mandatory for speaking this language because we all
yes,
know that this is not our mother tongue. So we need to understand the nuances of learning this language, and it is really imperative.
yes. Actually, ma'am, when I was starting in my primary school, at that time there was no English subject in my primary school. That's why I was very weak English subject. And when I was starting in my in class 8th standard and 9th standard, at that time I could not write one sentence in English properly. And that's why before speaking English, I have completed the grammatical rules, and I know very well how much English grammar is important for speaking English. Yeah, when you after learning the English grammar, when you speak English, at that time you speak perfectly and correctly. And without learning English grammar, when you speak English, at that time you speak broken English, you make so many mistakes while speaking English.
Yeah. I would like to say one thing that your sound and your voice is similar to Jadoo. Do you know about Jadoo? Yeah,
Yes,
at
yes,
that
I
time when
know.
I heard you very first time, so it suddenly popped in my mind that your voice is not as similar as Jadoo.
Yes, yes, I have watched so many video of Jadoo, and I have already made so many video with Jadoo.
And you are also making video in the field, and he also make video. He also makes video in the field. So the background is Sam
Yes, yes,
and the voice is Sam. So that is why I thought in this way.
yes.
Yeah.
And ma'am, how much time do you practice every single day?
Okay, so nowadays I just spend 30 minutes or more than 30. Some day I spend 1 hour, and some day I spend 30 minutes or more than 30, 45 just. But along with that, I really spend lots of time on my listening skills because I'm really fond of listening. I'm really into listening, and also I read a lot, and I know I do shadowing practice also, and I talk if there is no one with whom I could practice, because every day is not the same day. Sometimes you don't get the person with whom you can practice. So that time I go with the AI. I go, I talk, I chat, I speak with Chat GPT or AI. So that's how I maintain my speaking practice.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, a few minutes ago, you have told me you right now you are teaching as a private tutor at your house. But in which subject do you teach?
Usually I teach chemistry subject, 9 to 12, 9 to 10 I teach science. It's a combined subject, or 11 to 12 I teach chemistry subject.
Yes, yes,
I'm a
yes.
teacher.
Right
Hmm.
now I am working person. I work in a hospital. But before joining the hospital, I used to teach at my home as a private tutor in mathematics subject, because I have completed my graduation in mathematics subject. And ma'am, you know there were 120 students. There were 120 students in a 6 batches, and I like teaching. Yeah, I like teaching. But nowadays I don't teach because I don't get free time. Yeah, and
If you
I work
are,
in a
yeah, go on, go on, go on.
I work in a hospital. That's why I have to do shifting duty, morning, evening, night. That's why I don't get free time for teaching.
So if you were working in teaching profession, so why did you switch your job? Why did you switch your profession in working in a hospital? What was the reason? There
Yeah,
is.
I
Mhm.
have sat many competitive examinations for teaching purpose. Teaching purpose. I cracked the TET qualified, but giving the interview, I did not success in my life. That's why right now I am working in the hospital.
So are you planning to join teaching profession, or you are just satisfied with the current job?
No, nowadays, there is no chance. Yeah, there is no chance for sitting the examination.
Oh, okay, so you can do private job as well. But I think you are
Yes, yes,
satisfied with your current job, so that's the reason that you don't want to change. And yeah, I think if we are satisfied with our job, if we are enjoying our work, so I think we don't need to change. We don't need to switch our job, because this but
yes, yes,
if you go in another environment, so initially at the beginning it would be difficult to adapt the environment, adapt the atmosphere, adapt the situation out there. So it is because you are familiar with your job. So it is also a benefit of your job. So now I
yes.
think my laptop battery is running out. So if you want to discuss anything, so just tell me. Otherwise, we can wind up this session.
All right, ma'am. It was a nice conversation with you. Yeah, we are talking around 20 minutes. You are also speaking English very well.
Thank
And after
you.
joining with you, I have learned so many things by connecting with you. All right, ma'am. Nice to meet you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Yeah, it was very nice conversation with you, and I also learned so many things from you. And yeah, and have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Take care.
Bye bye.